We're saying goodbye to Winter Storm Titan and looking ahead to see whether there are any other name-worthy winter storms on the horizon. Ulysses is the next name on our list, and there's a storm heading for the East Coast this weekend that may qualify, but trends are suggesting it may not be as strong as earlier feared. Let's go to the maps and show you what we're talking about. We do expect cold air to be in place in the mid-Atlantic and Northeast still later this week as a low-pressure system develops over the eastern Gulf Coast region. That'll be spreading moisture northward toward the East Coast by late this week. Now, the model runs over the last few days have been backing off on the idea of a blockbuster East Coast storm. So now what we're left with, the European model, showing that low pressure over the eastern Gulf Coast and somewhat hugging the coast Thursday night. And you see the green areas depicting precipitation, the blue line representing the 32-degree line. So north of that, the precipitation in New England and eastern New York State would be wintry. And then on Friday, that storm system starts to head out to sea, taking the precipitation with it. The European model is currently one of the more aggressive models with this storm. You look at the American GFS model. It's also showing low pressure starting in about the same place, but then it just sort of gets stuck off the Carolina coast with mainly rain for the Carolinas Thursday night, and then the low just meanders out to sea with not much impact wintry weather-wise for the eastern seaboard on Friday. Here's what our official forecast looks like for Thursday. Maybe a little bit of a wintry mix in parts of northwest North Carolina, southwest Virginia on Thursday, and then spreading to the I-95 corridor on Friday. But this is a fairly low confidence forecast at this time. Amounts look to be light unless something changes dramatically, but we do have another 4 days to keep an eye on this storm system. So stay with the Weather Channel and we will continue to keep you posted. I'm Nick Wiltgen, the Weather Channel.